Welcome. If you love food and dream of sharing your recipes with the world, this video is your gateway to turning passion into passive income. Let's discover how Amazon KDP can make you a published author. No experience needed. Imagine opening your mailbox and seeing a royalty check, all because you shared your favorite recipes with the world. Now picture your name on the cover of a cookbook, one you created, filled with dishes close to your heart, available to millions of hungry readers around the globe. Publishing a cookbook isn't just for celebrity chefs anymore. With Amazon KDP, anyone with a love for food can turn their kitchen creations into a published book and a source of real passive income. Whether you're a passionate home cook, a food blogger, or someone who's always dreamed of seeing their recipes in print, this is your moment. Amazon KDP lets you self-publish with no upfront costs, no gatekeepers, no limits. All you need is your unique culinary perspective and a willingness to share. In this video, I'll walk you through every step: choosing your cookbook's niche, formatting and designing your pages, crafting a cover that sells, launching your masterpiece to the world. Ready to turn your kitchen passion into profit? Let's get started. Have you ever dreamed of sharing your family recipes with the world? Maybe you have a secret barbecue sauce. Maybe you have a killer keto dessert that your friends always rave about. What if you could turn those recipes into a stream of passive income? It's not just a dream, it's real with Amazon Kindle Direct Publishing, or KDP. KDP is Amazon's self-publishing platform. It allows anyone, and I mean anyone, to upload a manuscript, create a cover, publish your book for free. Amazon lists your book on its massive global marketplace. Amazon prints it on demand when someone buys it. Amazon ships it directly to the customer. You just sit back and collect the royalties. It's leveled the playing field for authors everywhere. The beauty of KDP is its simplicity and reach. You don't need a literary agent or a huge upfront investment to get started. All you need is a collection of recipes and the drive to turn them into a book. Let's turn your passion for food into a profitable publishing business, one page at a time. The first and most crucial step in creating a successful cookbook is choosing the right niche. Don't create a generic best recipes book. The market is saturated. Instead, get specific. Think about what makes your cooking special. Vegan air fryer recipes, quick 30-minute meals for busy parents, gluten-free baking, authentic regional cuisine from your heritage. The key is to find a targeted audience with a specific problem or desire. A cookbook titled Keto-Friendly Desserts for Diabetics is far more likely to find its audience than a general dessert book. Do your research on Amazon to see what's already selling and look for gaps in the market you can fill. Once you've zeroed in on your niche, it's time to plan your recipes. Don't just throw a random collection together. Your cookbook needs to have a logical flow and a clear structure. Aim for 25 to 50 recipes. Organize your recipes into logical chapters. Quick smoothies, hearty egg dishes, weekend pancakes and waffles. Now for the fun part, developing and testing your recipes. Every single recipe must be tested thoroughly, and I mean more than once. Write down every single ingredient with precise measurements. Cups, tablespoons, grams. Your instructions need to be crystal clear, simple, and easy to follow. For even greater clarity, consider including step-by-step photos or illustrations for complex techniques. Visual aids can help beginners avoid mistakes and boost their confidence in the kitchen. Think like a complete beginner. Break down each step of the process. Tell them what size pan to use. Tell them what temperature to set the oven to. Tell them how long to cook it. With your recipes planned and tested, it's time to write and assemble your manuscript. This is where you bring your cookbook to life. Start by writing more than just the recipes. Include a compelling introduction that tells your story. Why are you passionate about this type of food? Write a brief introduction for each chapter to set the stage. For each recipe, consider adding, "Here are some extra tips and tricks." Use high-quality photos for every recipe. Add a troubleshooting section for common mistakes, and include a conversion chart for measurements. Consider adding QR codes that link to video tutorials, and always test your recipes with someone new to ensure clarity. Here are the most common mistakes people make on Amazon KDP. Not proofreading your manuscript, using low-quality cover images, choosing the wrong categories or keywords, skipping the book description, and not promoting your book after publishing. Avoid these to boost your chances of success. A short personal note, a tip for success, a variation idea. These little touches add personality and value. Write in a clear, friendly, and encouraging tone. Imagine you're in the kitchen with the reader, guiding them through the recipe. Formatting is where many new authors get stuck, but it doesn't have to be complicated. Make your interior clean, professional, and easy to read. Consistency is key. Every recipe the same format. Use clear headings for the recipe title. Use clear headings for the ingredient list. Use clear headings for the instructions. Use bullet points or numbered lists for ingredients and steps. Choose a simple, readable font like Times New Roman Garamond, Arial. One font for headings and one for the body is plenty. Format using software you already have. Microsoft Word, Google. Docs use specialized software or templates to level up your interior design. Canva cookbook templates with photos and layouts once written and formatted, proofread meticulously. Typos and errors are especially bad. Now it's time for what might be the single most important marketing tool for your book, the cover. People absolutely judge a book by its cover, especially on a crowded platform like Amazon. Your cover has just a few seconds to grab attention as they scroll. The 3 essential elements of a great cookbook cover are a high-quality image, a clear title, and an easy-to-read author name. The image should be mouth-watering. It needs to feature a stunning photo of one of the best dishes from your book. This photo should be high-resolution, well-lit, and professionally styled. Your title and subtitle are just as important as the image. The title should be large, bold, and instantly readable. Use a font that matches the mood of your cookbook. The subtitle is where you sell the benefits. It should clearly state who the book is for and what problem it solves. You don't need to be a graphic designer to create a fantastic cover. Tools like Canva offer professionally designed templates. A small investment here can make a huge difference in your book's success. Here are the key steps to successfully sell your cookbook on Amazon KDP. Step 1. Research your target audience and keywords. Step 2. Create a compelling book description and cover. Step 3. Set a competitive price and choose the right categories. Step 4. Launch your book and promote it on social media, blogs, and email lists. Step 5. Encourage early buyers to leave honest reviews. Step 6. Use Amazon ads and run limited-time promotions to boost visibility. Tricks. Regularly update your keywords, experiment with pricing, and consider launching a series of related cookbooks. Join online communities to share your book and build your author brand. Consistency and smart marketing are the keys to long-term sales success. Let's talk about a unique niche, the carnivore diet cookbook. This cookbook focuses on recipes made entirely from animal-based ingredients. Think beef, pork, poultry, fish, and eggs with no plant foods. It's perfect for those following a strict carnivore lifestyle or anyone curious about high-protein, low-carb eating. Highlight the health benefits, tips for sourcing quality meats, and creative ways to prepare nutrient-dense meals. A carnivore diet cookbook stands out in a crowded market and appeals to a passionate, growing community. You have your polished manuscript and your eye-catching cover. Now it's time to serve it up to the world. The final step is uploading your book to the Amazon KDP platform. The process is surprisingly straightforward. Here are some advanced tricks to boost your cookbook sales. Collaborate with food influencers for shout-outs, offer a free recipe sample in exchange for email sign-ups, and create a launch team to leave early reviews. Use eye-catching graphics on social media, run limited-time discounts, and update your book with new recipes to keep it fresh. Finally, consider bundling your cookbook with related products or courses for extra value. KDP will guide you through 3 main sections. Book details, content, pricing. In the first section, you'll enter your book title, subtitle, author name, and a compelling book description. This is also where you'll select your keywords. Think like a buyer searching Amazon. Next is the content section, where you'll upload your formatted manuscript and cover files. The final section is pricing. Do research to see what similar cookbooks cost. For ebooks, $2.99 to $9.99 is usually the sweet spot. Once you hit that publish button, your work isn't quite done. Promotion is key to getting your book noticed. Start by telling your friends, family, and social media followers. Here are some extra tricks to maximize your cookbook's reach. Create a dedicated website or landing page for your book. Offer exclusive bonus recipes to email subscribers, and collaborate with other cookbook authors for cross-promotions. Use Pinterest to share recipe images, join relevant online forums, and consider running giveaways to generate buzz. Track your sales data and adjust your marketing strategies regularly for the best results. Consider running Amazon ads or temporary price promotions to generate buzz and gather early reviews. Anyone can do this, so get out there and share your passion with the world. To boost your cookbook sales on Amazon, focus on optimizing your book's keywords and categories. Use Amazon's search bar to find popular terms related to your niche, and include them in your title, subtitle, and description. Encourage early buyers to leave honest reviews, as positive feedback builds trust and visibility. Consider joining relevant Facebook groups or online communities to share your book with interested readers. Run limited-time discounts or Kindle countdown deals to attract more buyers. Finally, create an author page on Amazon Author Central to showcase your expertise and connect with your audience. For long-term success, keep engaging with your readers. Start a newsletter to share bonus recipes, updates, and behind-the-scenes stories. Offer seasonal recipe updates or exclusive content to your email list. Build a community around your cookbook. Host live cooking demos, Quanda sessions, or virtual book clubs. The more you connect, the more loyal your audience will become, leading to repeat sales and word-of-mouth growth. How much can you actually make with Amazon KDP? Earnings vary widely, but many self-published authors earn anywhere from a few hundred to several $1,000s per month. Some top sellers even make six figures a year. The key is to publish high-quality books, target profitable niches, and build a catalog over time. Here are some tricks. Regularly update your keywords and categories, experiment with pricing, and consider launching a series of related cookbooks to attract repeat buyers. Use Amazon's promotional tools, like Kindle countdown deals, and always encourage reviews. Remember, consistency and smart marketing can turn your cookbook into a reliable source of passive income. Ready to publish your own cookbook? Hit subscribe, and start your journey today with Amazon KDP. Here's what cookbook author Jamie had to say. Publishing my cookbook on Amazon KDP changed my life. I went from sharing recipes with friends to earning real income every month. Seeing my book in readers' kitchens around the world is a dream come true. When publishing your cookbook on Amazon KDP, you'll need to enter several key details. Book title and subtitle, make them clear and descriptive. Author name, use your real name or a pen name. Book description, write a compelling summary to attract readers. Keywords, choose up to 7 keywords that help people find your book. Categories, select the most relevant categories for your cookbook. Manuscript upload, upload your formatted cookbook file. Cover upload, add a high-quality cover image. ISBN, use a free KDP ISBN or your own. Rights and pricing, set your book's price, territories, and royalty options. Contributors, list anyone who helped create the book. Age and grade range. If your book is for kids, specify the target age group. Double-check each section for accuracy before publishing to ensure your cookbook stands out on Amazon. Filling out the Amazon KDP form is straightforward if you follow these steps. Step 1. Log in to your Amazon KDP account and click Create a new title. Step 2. Enter your book title and subtitle. Make sure they are clear and descriptive. Step 3. Add your author name. You can use your real name or a pen name. Step 4. Write a compelling book description. This is what will attract readers. Step 5. Choose up to 7 keywords that help people find your book. Step 6. Select the most relevant categories for your cookbook. Step 7. Upload your formatted manuscript file. Step 8. Upload your high-quality cover image. Step 9. Choose your ISBN. You can use a free KDP ISBN or your own. Step 10. Set your rights and pricing, including territories and royalty options. Step 11. List any contributors who helped create the book. Step 12. If your book is for kids, specify the age and grade range. Double-check each section for accuracy before clicking Publish. This ensures your cookbook stands out and is ready for sale on Amazon.